I am back. Now you see that our step up is moving all the time. How we are moving, the step up is moving around. On the first side and here, well, on each side here, you will have to add one A bead in peyote stitch. We are here on the corner, you pick up 2 beads, and because now it's a time for 2 beads and pass through the next A bead. Repeat this around, so A beads between the corners and 2 beads on each corner. And wait a minute, I have this thread is a little bit okay, then we go more. 1, 2 on the corner, 1 between the corners, 2 on the corner, 1 between, 2 on the corner. Well, we are done, we are at the end. So the last 2 beads, pick up 2 B beads and step up, pass through A from the previous row, exit through the first A we add in this row. Okay, let's go further. Now we have here on the first side, add 1 A, and with that A pass up and exit through the first of 2 beads on the corner, first of 2 B's on the corners. Okay, this thread making marks on my fingers, nails, everywhere, even I wash it very much. Now we are coming on to 1, so 1, pick up 1 and place it between 2 B's from the previous row. Here on the next 4 sides you will add 2 A beads in peyote stitch. So 2 A beads between the next 4 corners. On the corner, 1 bead. And then 2 A's in peyote stitch. One on the corner. It's the school is finished for today, as I can hear. Children are very loud. Oops. So 1 on the corner, then 2 between the corners, peyote stitch. 1 on the corner, and step up with the A, pick up 1 A and step up, pass through the previous, you see, step up. Now it's the, if I say once more that now I get crazy. Wait, I totally moved everything with me. This is a time for peyotes. 2, 1, peyote, 2, 1. Now we need peyotes. So make 1 row in peyote stitch with A beads. When you finish that, don't forget to step up. Don't forget to step up. When you finish that, make 1, 2, or 3 cycles of increasing. So 2, 1, peyote, 2, 1, peyote. And don't forget to step up at the end of each row. And then in the next lesson, I'm going to show, first of all, you will see the shape what we made, and I'm going to explain you how to make a loop for the pendant, for example, in case that you want to have this as a pendant, or one day you will, not this design, but you will have idea to make a pendant in peyote stitch, and I want to show you how you can make a loop for the chain or beaded rope. So, and at the end, step up. Okay, so make 2 or 3 more increases on the corners and work in peyote stitch with A beads around, and see you in the next lesson to show you more things. So, see you in the next lesson.